After 7 years, we made it back to Water Country, USA. Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we are here on our second day of a Busch Gardens trip here, and we are here at Water Country, USA. This is our 24th park of the year, different park of the year, and this is my first time here in 7 years. So I'm going to kick it off here by doing an Explore, which, guess what? You get to see what I'm about to do. You're looking in the future, people. I haven't recorded yet, but you're going to be watching the medley right now that has it. Alright, so we made it back here to the Rock and Roll Island, all the way on the back side. So we went all the way from the back end there by the Hookah Hookah, and now we're at the Ramblin' River, which actually allows you to have tubes. Look, there's even tubes with no people in them. But we are knocking out stuff pretty quick. So it is like 12:15, and we knocked out the whole lower section of this park. So now I have to go into the heart of the food areas and stuff like that. So we still have a little bit more work to do, but we are knocking out a lot here at Water Country, USA. So yeah, just want to give you a quick little update there. We're checking again about another half hour and let you know how far we are here. But this is a cool little area here called the Rock and Roll Island. It just opened up at noon, and in 15 minutes you got a lot of people. So all in all, this is pretty good. Alright, so we're about halfway done with our park day here at Water Country, USA. It is an amazing water park here. We're heading back here towards the Hubba Hubba Highway there. I'm looking to do some shorts. I'm going to knock out all the different venues, like food places and merchandise stores. Like right there's the Hubba Hubba Gifts, sorry. But the reality is that's not open today there. But we will show people where it's at. So in case on a Saturday it's there. But all in all, we're about halfway done. So if you like what we do here with the 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, make sure that you subscribe and like. That always helps us out here. But also leave comments. We're always curious what people think about our content. And yeah, we'd love to know what you think about what we do here. So without further ado, let's show you a little bit more of a montage, but this time featuring the food and the merchandise. All right, so we're gonna do that soon. Alright, so I just about another half hour. It's almost 1 o'clock, and we just finished all the merch and all that stuff. There's one more store I think I have to get, but I'm going to come down here. There's 2 slides over here to the right hand side, one called Wild Thing and the other one is Riptide Race or something like that. So I want to do some shorts on these, but all in all we have a lot of videos done here. We actually got 2 spotlights done, which I did not expect to do spotlights today, but I got 2 spotlights and finishing up the shorts right now. But all in all, about 2 hours in, we knocked out a lot of cool stuff. So with that being said, time to work on some more shorts. All right, it is now 1:15 and we knocked out everything with Water Country USA. Couple last minute shorts as I walk down this way, but all in all, quite an amazing day. There's the Malibu pipeline. But we had an amazing half day here. We were able to film everything before the rain came, which did not anticipate originally. So the fact that we were able to get the Let's Eat merch, our park day, and a full explore done in one day with 15 shorts and 2 spotlights. Wow, what a day here. I really wish I could play, but I did not actually bring a swimsuit because I wanted to force myself to actually work today. So all in all, that is our park day here at Water Country USA. Let us know what you think about this water park in the comment section there. It's the 24th park of the year on our way to 30. So we got some more to do, but all in all, this is a fantastic water park, over 40 years old. And let us know in the comments, check out the playlist, and check out the video that YouTube thinks you would like best.